Mastering the art of nails, mastering nail care essentials. Mastering the art of nails. Nails have come a long way from being just a functional part of our bodies. They have transformed into a canvas for artistic expression, a reflection of personal style, and a statement of self-care. Whether you love experimenting with intricate designs or prefer a classic, clean look, nail art offers something for everyone. This blog will delve into the captivating realm of nails and nail designs, covering everything from care tips to creative inspirations. Nail care basics. Before we dive into nail designs, let's start with the basics of nail care. Healthy nails are the foundation for any stunning nail design. Here are some essential tips to keep your nails in top shape. 1. Keep nails hydrated. Just like your skin, your nails need hydration too. 1. Regularly apply a nail and cuticle oil to prevent dryness and promote flexibility. 2. Maintain a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals plays a significant role in nail health. 2. Foods high in biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids contribute to strong and resilient nails. 3. Avoid harsh chemicals. When doing household chores or using cleaning products, wear gloves to protect your nails from exposure to harsh chemicals that can weaken and damage them. 4. Gentle nail care tools. Opt for gentle nail files and buffers to shape and smooth your nails. 4. Avoid using metal tools excessively, as they can cause splintering and damage. 5. Regular trimming. Regularly trim your nails to maintain a neat appearance and prevent them from becoming too long and prone to breakage. 6. Limit polish and acrylic use. While nail polish and acrylics can enhance the aesthetic of your nails, they can also weaken them. 6. Give your nails breaks between applications to let them breathe. Mastering the art of nails, the world of nail designs. Nail designs have evolved into an art that allows individuals to express their personalities, interests, and moods. From minimalist elegance to bold and extravagant designs, the possibilities are endless. Here are some popular nail design trends to consider. Minimalist chic. Less is often more, and minimalist nail designs embody this concept. Neutral tones, single accent lines, and negative space designs create a clean but sophisticated look that suits any occasion. Geometric patterns. Geometric nail designs combine lines, shapes, and colors to create intricate patterns that are visually striking. From triangles and squares to lattices, geometric designs offer endless creativity. Floral elegance. Floral nail art is a timeless classic. Delicate flowers and leaves are as nail decals for a touch of nature-inspired beauty. Metallic magic. Metallic nails add a touch of glamour and luxury. Incorporate metallic accents, gradients, or full metallic nails for a dazzling effect that catches the light. Ombre masterpieces. Ombre nails feature a gradient effect that blends two or more colors seamlessly. This technique applies with soft pastels, bold neons, or contrasting shades for a captivating look. Whimsical nail art. Unleash your inner artist with whimsical nail designs that include characters, landscapes, and abstract concepts. These designs are all about having fun and embracing your creativity. Stunning stiletto and coffin nails. Stiletto and coffin nail shapes provide an elongated canvas for intricate designs. They are with crystals, rhinestones, and intricate patterns that make a bold statement. Mastering the art of nails, creating nail art at home. While professional nail artists can create intricate designs, creating nail art at home is both fun and rewarding. Here is a guide to get you started. 1. Gather supplies. Collect nail polish, nail art brushes, dotting tools, nail tape, and any other tools you may need for your chosen design. 2. Prepare your nails. Start with clean, well-groomed nails. 2. Remove old nail polish and shape your nails as desired. 3. Apply a base coat. A base coat helps protect your nails and creates a smooth surface for the nail polish. 4. Get creative. Experiment with different colors, techniques, and tools to create your chosen design. 4. Don't be afraid to try new things. 4. Let your creativity shine. 5. Add details. Use fine brushes or dotting tools to add intricate details to your design. 5. Take your time and enjoy the process. 6. Seal with a top coat. Once your design is complete, apply a clear top coat to protect your nail art and make it last longer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't flawless. Over time, you'll develop your skills and discover techniques that work best for you. Express yourself through nails. Nail designs are more than just a cosmetic trend, they are a form of self-expression. Whether you prefer bold and flashy designs or understated elegance, nail art allows you to showcase your personality, interests, and creativity. So, why not embark on a nail art journey and turn your nails into a captivating canvas that reflects your unique style? With little practice, inspiration, and care, your nails can become a work of art proudly displayed to the world.